To set up Apple Pay in store, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone 6 and later models, as well as Apple Watch. You will also need to have a credit or debit card from a participating bank. First, open the Wallet app on your device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can download it from the App Store. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a card. You can either take a photo of your card or enter the details manually. If you choose to take a photo, the Wallet app will automatically fill in the details. Next, enter the security code from the back of your card and agree to the terms and conditions. Your bank may also require you to verify your identity, which can be done through a text message or phone call. Once your card is added, you will need to set up a default card. This is the card that will be used when you make a purchase with Apple Pay. To do this, go to the Wallet app and tap and hold the card you want to use as your default. Then, drag it to the front of the other cards. To use Apple Pay in store, look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Hold your device near the contactless reader and authorize the payment with your fingerprint, face, or passcode. You will know the payment has been successful when you feel a vibration and see a check mark on the screen. It is also important to note that you can use Apple Pay with your Apple Watch. To do this, double-click the side button on your Apple Watch and hold it near the contactless reader. You can also add multiple cards to your Apple Watch and switch between them by opening the Wallet app on your device. In addition, you can also use Apple Pay with other devices such as iPad and Mac. To use Apple Pay on these devices, you will need to set up two-factor authentication and have a compatible device. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use Apple Pay in store. Remember to always keep your device and card information secure, and to only use Apple Pay at participating merchants.